Hey guys, so today I am doing my morning routine video, and this video is in collaboration with Care to show you guys how I integrate taking my vitamins every morning. Usually I wake up around 8:30 because I don't have class till 10:30. I will usually do a nice little stretch in bed, check my phone a bit, kind of just take it easy. I like to have slow mornings, so I'm feeling really ready and prepared for the day. I like to tidy up my room before I start my day because I don't know about you, but I really hate when my room is a mess before I have to start my day. After I get out of bed, the first thing I usually do is go and brush my teeth. I hate the feeling of having a dirty mouth first thing in the morning, so this is the first thing that I do. After that, I usually will head to the kitchen. My roommates weren't home this morning, which is really nice. So usually if they are not home, I will just kind of like hang out in the kitchen for a bit, make a cup of tea, and of course take my vitamins. Care makes it super easy to get vitamins. You just take a little quiz online and it'll find ones that are suited best for you and your health. They make them in these like really cute little packages, so it's really easy to take every day. You know what you're taking, and they use only the highest quality ingredients, so you know what you're taking is really good as well. And I've been taking them for a long time, and I love how convenient it is. It makes it really easy for me to know that I'm getting all the supplements that I need. So I usually start off my morning taking these before my tea is ready, and then I kind of just hang out, and usually I will eat some breakfast at some point. And to finish off my morning, I'll usually sit outside for a bit and do some work with my cup of tea, and then usually I'll eat like a banana or something because it's always good to take your supplements with some food before I eat like a real bigger breakfast. So I hope you guys like this video, and I will see y'all in the next one.